Hey chef, can you turn my soft shell crab into something special?
Of course, let's go, man. We're gonna be doing this Nashville style. Just soak them in buttermilk for a little bit, and then we're gonna put it in our special dredge that we have here.
What's inside the dredge?
Some semolina in there, salt, pepper, and that's pretty much it.
Come on, man.
Can't really tell you. Brother, if I told you, I'm not gonna be around next week.
This guy gave me the most vaguest answer.
Drop it into our deep fryer. We're gonna fry them until they're golden brown. How long? Minutes? I don't know. Let's see. All right, we're gonna pull it out. That's what you want right there. So this is our fermented oil that we use. There's a lot in here.
A lot of what exactly?
A lot of love, a lot of garlic, a lot of chili.
Okay, there we go.
It's fermented. This is a very old oil that we started 5 years ago when I first started my food truck. This is our Nashville dust that we use. And we're gonna pick our crabs up. Here you go. All she wrote. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm not even playing with you.
I made these at home, but I can't compare to this. It's that oil and then it's that spice mix.
How crispy that is. New menu item.
I have to.